channel. Wanted to come here today and we're going to talk some diet. And I have in my kitchen with me, this is I call her my sister. She's my cousin and we are like sisters. She has gone on keto about a month and a half ago. Okay, I don't like to cook. She loves to cook.
All the time.
So bringing her into the kitchen today and she's going to cook for us. We're going to do a pizza that is low carb friendly. It is keto friendly. Then we're going to make a dessert. What dessert is it?
It is a berry cheesecake salad and it is so good. It's decadent.
Okay, and it's a splurge. This is like a splurge video, so we're also going to do a shake. We're just going to zoom you in, and we're going to get started on a
Okay, this is Fathead Pizza Crust. If you look on Pinterest or if you Google Fathead Pizza Crust, this is what you're going to find. It's a very basic recipe, and it is made mostly with cheese and some almond flour and an egg. So, first you put in 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese, and then you microwave this until it is melted. So we're going to microwave this until it's melted. The next thing we're going to add is the softened cream cheese. So we're going to put that in there. Then you need 1 egg. So this is 1 egg beaten. And 3/4 cups of almond flour. And so this is not only keto, it is low carb, it is gluten-free, but you could add garlic powder to this if you want to, or you could add some Italian seasonings. Now's the time to do it. I like to put them on top of the pizza.
Okay.
So we've got our lovely slice of parchment paper. This is a very forgiving recipe. To the sheet, so we're going to spread it out. So then I prick it. Now we're going to put it in the oven at 425 for 12 minutes.
Okay. Okay, she cooked it for 10 minutes, and now we're going to add the toppings.
Sauce that we found at our local natural grocers. This is 5 net carbs per serving. I'm going to use 1/2 cup or maybe a little less of sauce on the entire pizza. So if you're counting, we're up to, per piece of pizza with the sauce, 6 or 7 net carbs per piece. So what we are going to put on it is pepperoni, beef, cheese, and then we're going to season it a little bit with some Italian seasonings. So we all know that cheese doesn't add any carbs. And now this goes back in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes till it's ready to eat.
Okay, y'all, that looks delicious. And the pan is hot.
And there's the finished Fathead pizza.
It's like a real thin, a little bit chewy crust. So anyway, that's the pizza, and we're going to move on to the, we're going to get the, what's it called?
Low carb berry cheesecake salad.
So we're going to set that up and zoom you back in, and we're going to make that.
So the base of this low carb cheesecake berry salad is 3 basic ingredients. We use cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, and sweetener of your choice. I prefer Swerve Confectioners. So we have whipped the whipping cream up, added the sweetener, and put in a softened bar of Philadelphia cream cheese. Then you take a package of, the recipe originally calls for strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, but I don't care for raspberries. You can do what you want. This is what I take when we have a lot of potlucks, you know, at least twice a month, and I always take this.
Yeah.
And people are amazed because you cannot tell it's sugar-free. It is low carb. So you just toss it together, stick it in the fridge for a couple of hours. This is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? So that's it. You just mix it together. We'll chill it for a couple of hours, And then we will enjoy this with our fathead
Perfect.
pizza.
Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna make a milkshake.
We're gonna make a milkshake.
A milkshake?
Yeah, a chocolate shake that I make for my kids in the mornings, and it's like a bulletproof coffee, but for my teenagers. All right, this next splurge is something, like I said, I use for my kids. So I have kind of created my own milkshake, and I use almond milk, heavy whipping cream, Swerve, and cacao. If you don't have cacao, Hershey's cocoa is the same thing as cacao. And MCT oil. This is what makes it bulletproof. And if they eat this for breakfast, then usually they're good until lunchtime. So what I'm measuring is 2 cups of unsweetened original almond milk, a ½ cup of heavy whipping cream, about a tablespoon or 2 of Swerve. I've even snuck spinach into it before when they weren't looking, and they had no idea. I mean, it blends up beautifully.
And that doesn't even really change the taste.
It doesn't. It doesn't, and it gives them the potassium. Do not be afraid of cacao powder in a lot of things because it is a natural source of potassium. Then I do 1 tablespoon if it's for the 2 of them. That gives them the MCT oil without giving them any digestive issues. You blend it up until it's all mixed up. You can add cinnamon, you could add vanilla, you can add whatever you want, but we keep it pretty basic at our house.
And that's it?
That's it. You can add some crushed ice, or if you have everything cold, you can just serve it like that. They drink it so fast, it really doesn't matter.
Okay, great.
And that's it. It's 1 net carb for this. If you had spinach, you might boost it up to 2. So it's great. It's a great option.
Okay, and that is the 3 splurges we wanted to share with y'all. It's keto friendly, it's low carb friendly, it's not calorie friendly. They are splurges. So anyway, thank you so much to my sweet sister Rebecca for being here. This was such a treat. And Rebecca has an Instagram page where she has recipes and keto tips. She'll post the recipes and she posts the pictures, and I love it, and I think you'll love it too. So y'all go visit her over on Instagram. I'm gonna link her down below. So anyway, that is all we have for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good day. Bye.